Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how oil tells the story of a stock market crash. Well, at least this is just my opinion. I'll show you guys what I mean in this video. So the price. I'm surprised that nobody signed up for my membership group, even though I had a discount. Maybe because we're having such a bear market, people are just losing so much money that it's just like they don't want to. They don't want to spend any more money, or the that's a possibility. Or as a possibility, you know, I've gained such a bad reputation that people just don't care. Oh well, I mean, it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. I am who I am. Uh, I probably do piss people off. I don't mean it intentionally. I just kind of talk about what's on my mind. I don't really think about the consequences, and I just do it anyways. Then that's probably bad. I shouldn't do that, but I just can't help it. I just do it. I don't think about it, and I do it, and yeah. But anyways, it doesn't matter. This is my stock market membership group. If you want to join me, that's great. If you don't want to join me, then whatever. That's life. But I laugh if like 90% of my members abandon me, and then I have like 10 left or 20 left. That would be weird. Oh well, whatever. If that happens, that's life. I still got my YouTube. I still got my $1,000 a month. Unless it goes down even further. 1,000 US dollars per month, I might add. Oil prices plummet 7% on fears of a glut. Yeah, today oil prices plunged 7%. And if you look at the 2008 crash and this crash, this stock part right here looks very similar to, like, it's big rise and then a big crash, and what the next thing is gonna keep going down. I don't know, but it looks very similar. Even the 2000 crash was, it had a big rise up and then it had a big crash, and then it just like stabilized and rallied and then crashed. It crashed, rallied, and then is it gonna crash even bigger, or is it, could it crash back down to like 1999, $20 a barrel of oil? That would be crazy. It got pretty close to like 35.77 in 2006. Could it plummet all the way to $20 when the stock market crashed? That would be a pretty big crash. But I don't know. It's just right now I'm hoping the stock market just completely crumbles, because I can multiply my money so many times over. If I can like 200 or 300% my money very easily if the stock market crumbles. So I'm really hoping the market crumbles. Wayland, had a nice rise today. It was kind of weird. I was watching a YouTube video and then I saw an advertisement of Wayland, and then the next day the stock goes up 12 cents. I saw the same thing with Joom. I saw an advertisement of Joom, and then the next couple of days it went up like 20%. So yeah, it's kind of strange. I hope it keeps going up. I hope it goes to like $1.20, and then I'll just call my friend, but like, dude, just sell your stock now. Don't wait for the rest of the rally, because if this stock goes to $1.20 fast, it's probably gonna go like tanking back to $1. Just my opinion, because there'll probably be massive sell-offs. Stocks don't rise forever. Stocks go up and then they go down. So that's how I've seen things so many times in the history of being in the stock market. Stocks don't always go up. if they go up a lot, they'll eventually crash. It's like been like that so many times. But sometimes, you know, yeah, it's been like that a lot. I need to learn to like watch those and, you know, do option trading on them, because now I can. CanTrust, you know, up 9 cents. CanTrust is stabilizing. Even though, you know, if I look at the charts, it just looks like to me that like I just can't see the stock rallying back to like $9. I definitely don't see it going back to like $10. So I think it's probably gonna go down before it goes up. So, you know, I still think it's gonna crash even harder. I think it's gonna go back to like probably the $5 level. That's why I think CanTrust is gonna end up. But because I'm just bearish on the market right now, everything just looks really bad, and I do think that CanTrust will probably end up at $5. But I could be wrong. We'll see what happens. It's just I have a bear mind right now. I'm bearish. I'm hoping T-God goes all the way down to $2. I'm really hoping T-God goes down to $2. That would be a fantastic buy at $2. But we'll see what happens. Because you know, it looks to me, it looks like it's on sale. I'm guessing to a lot of other people out there that follow the weed industry closely, look at T-God, they're like, it looks like it's on sale, but it could go down even further. If it does, it just makes a buying opportunity, in my opinion. Like, this stock looks very tasty, and I do own shares of it. I guess I'll show my proof. I own shares of it. I'm starting to buy and sell put options now. I'm playing the. So far, I have not lost any money on put options yet. I have not lost any money on put options. I probably made $7,000 on put options. Sorry, on option calls in general. It feels really good to do well in options. If I fail in an option, I will come out and I will make a video saying this is my first time failing. I lost this much money, but so far I haven't lost any money on options. If I do, I'll make a video about how much money I lost on options. And yeah, so it's nice to really play options, in my opinion. Afria, I think insiders are pushing the stock up. I could be wrong. If Afria goes back to $11, then Aurora will probably go back to probably go back to $9 to $10. But will it? I don't know. Will it go back to $10 in the short term? I don't know. We'll see. But if Afria does run back to $10, $10, $11, then Aurora is probably going to run back to $8, $9. So I'm hoping that's not the scenario. But if it is a scenario, all I can do is just buy more put options. Buy put options and keep being bearish on the stocks, because I do believe, I mean, yeah, that's my plan moving forward. Alcana, I'm so glad I got rid of this stock. I just like saw it crash. I saw them cut a dividend. I'm like, in my mind, the stock's going to $2 because look at the volume. It's $4.26 and it only has 209,000 volume. That means there's not very many people interested in the stock. So I think the stock's going to $2, and it's going to be a trading stock between investors. It's going to probably trade between $2 to $4. It go to $2, it might pop back to $4 and trade between $2. It could go to like $3 and pop back to $4. But eventually it's going to have that pop, and if you time that pop right, you could make a pretty decent amount of money off of it. But eventually it's going to pop because it's just been in a decline mode, and it hasn't even popped yet. It's just big decline. So it's been in an oversold territory, and eventually it's gonna have that pop, but it might head lower before there's the initial pop in the stock. At least this is my opinion. This is my stock and chart analysis of what I think is gonna happen to Alcana. Could be wrong though. Oxley. This stock, it has hit its all-time low, 52-week low right now. Yeah, because like I think it's been 76 cents, and right now it's 71 cents. It could be an opportunity, or it could keep going down even further. I mean, its market cap is still ridiculous, $414 million. So I don't know. I think it can still head down further. We'll see what happens. Looks like everything kind of rallied back at the end of the day, but tomorrow is the federal rate hike. There's going to be some news. Are we going to have a Santa Claus rally? Santa Claus is coming to Wall Street after Christmas. So they're expecting a massive sell-off, and then in January is when they expect the rally. Interesting. We'll see what happens. Canopy Growth. Man, just how long has this video been? I'm going to try to speed this up. Canopy Growth, you know, market is officially closed, down 15 cents. Is very good because I put a put option on Canopy, $5,000, 40, yeah, so, and I'm up right now, and if this stock price keeps falling, the more I'm up. But if, let's say, this stock does reversal and goes back to, I don't know, $33 for some reason, I'd probably put a put option on it. I mean, it probably won't instantly go up to $33. It'll probably head back to like $30, $31. So that sounds more reasonable than 33. I don't think it'll probably head to 33. But $30 to $31 is a possibility. And if that happens, all I can do is keep my bearish statement and put a put option on it. So I'm just gonna play options, like manage my, I don't know, fuck. This video is just so all over the place. Cron should rally, but not, declining after hours. Facebook, I'm so happy declined after hours because I have a put option on it. And I don't want to lose on options yet. I want to have a good experience of winning and winning and winning and winning and not losing. But if I'd ever lost on a put option or call option, I will let my viewers know. NBEV. I have a put option on NBEV too, and NBEV is holding up very nicely at $6. I'm hoping it just tanks back to like $5, but I don't know. It looks like it's holding up very nicely, even if it's kind of, I think like NBEV seems to be ignoring the stock market crash. Like in a month, it's just on a ramp up, and it just, to me, it looks like it's gonna keep going up. But we'll see what happens. I'm hoping it tanks so I can buy back. I think if it tanks back to like $5.50, I'll probably make a small purchase here. Cause if you look on NBEV in the long term, it could be $1 billion company. It could be a $2 billion company. That would make you a lot of money if it became a $10 billion company. Oh, sorry, a $2 billion company, which is a possibility. Tesla, like, I'm just shocked that Tesla declined so much. I wish I kept my put option on Tesla. I would have made so much money. And our final stock after hours is Aurora neutral. You know, I don't know. I don't want to be bearish on Aurora, but like I just don't see any catalyst that can rally Aurora stock in the short term. Long term, yes. Short term, no. Because there was the whole Cron deal and Aurora stock didn't even move. Like it moved up to $8. Oh my god, $8. That it should have rallied like to like $9 or $10, but it just rallied to $8 and now it's pulling back. So my mindset, well, for the Canadian side, for the US side, I mean, it went like, I guess $6 would be when it went to around $8. Yeah, around $6 is around $8 for us. When you convert it to US, but yeah, I don't know. Anyways, I'm hoping for a Grinch Christmas because I have a lot of cash and I would love to deploy it when things are so bad on the street, people are screaming and yelling, and that's when I start buying. When it looks so bad and so desperate and people are cursing and yelling and screaming, that's when I buy. So, but I don't see that right now. I see people panicking and worrying, not screaming and be like, oh my god, I'm gonna lose all my money. I have not seen that yet. So I don't think this blood is over. I think this blood is just started, and I think it's making a pool, and I'm just trying to learn how to swim in it by doing put options and shorting the stocks, and hope I don't drown in my blood. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Wow, 17 minutes. Subscribe for future updates, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. It helps me grow as a channel. Bye.